Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the cite tag. So what it does is, there are authors and the quotas you don't want to give credit to in your work. So you can use the cite tag if it is the one of the best ways to do that. So how are we gonna do that? Let me show you. First, you need a p tag, and inside here you need to type like something like what we call um, use the cite. First I'm gonna use the cite, then I'm gonna show you that how you're gonna do that. So first, winning is winning and losing is losing. And written by Assad. Ever heard of it? And you can see that, oh yeah, we need a space here. That would be great. So this quote is written by Assad. So this is the way you can properly show that, because this is kind of like looks like an italic but it's not, and by Assad. So this is the way you can do this. And the more proper method will be here, just give to quotation and here. Is it not awesome? So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.